So anyone following my channel knows it's all about saving money, and what better way to save money in Canada than make your own wine. So behind me I have all the materials I need to get my wine kit into 30 bottles of wine. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what comes in a wine kit. I'm new to making wine, so it will be a new experience for me as well. I went to multiple wine suppliers and found the best value was actually found at Costco. In Costco, I get 2 kits in a box. Each kit was $79.99, and it just so happened when I went in they were on sale, so I got to save $16 per kit. So for the lovely price of $127, I am going to get myself 120 bottles of wine